see, this process is decantation. देखो, I got water and this is my impurities here. Both are separated. And now comes our last step, that is filtration. In filtration we need a filter paper. So now we are ready for filtration. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? We will make a filter paper cone. This is a filter paper. We will fold it like this and then I am ready with a filter paper cone. And I will insert it inside a funnel. See, like this. So I am ready for filtration. And now this is the water which we got after decantation. And now I am starting my filtration. Let's see. See, I am getting clear water. I poured everything and now see, I got clear water from the mud water. See, how beautiful is this? This water which we got is known as filtrate, which we got after filtration. And I got many impurities here inside the conical flask. See, this all these things. This mud. This is residue. This is known as residue. I will open and show you. See children, this. ये क्या है? ये है residue. And this is our clear water, filtrate water. Okay, filtrate. So this is how we can remove insoluble impurities from water. See, clear water. So हमने क्या देखा अभी? The process of settling down of heavier insoluble particles at the bottom of a liquid is called sedimentation. जैसे हमने देखा, the mud or the sand got settled at the bottom. So this is known as sedimentation. The heavier insoluble particles that settle down at the bottom of the water.